Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke lapho-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uyithole zonke-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke sizokulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke udaba kuletheke lona namhlanje lithi-ke u-M_K-ke laphana-ke ecacisa-ke laphana ecacisa-ke kulama-heavies-ke athi-ke i-M_K isebenzisana kanye ne-ANC. Na-ke u-M_K laphana-ke usekuchazile-ke lokho, washo nanokuthi-ke into edala ukuthi abantu basole lokho izenzo zikaKhumalo-ke. Kodwa-ke ngifuna ukuthi wezwa ngami-ke mina-ke into engizoyenza ukudlalela ividiyo-ke uzizwele wena-ke ngawakho amandla. Ngisacela kulaphana ususile kule video-ke ungene ema-comment section futhi umbono wakho ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke masicinza nebhathini nje usubscribe nje, kubiza imali, kumahhala nje, ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke nawe-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
It reflected very bad for us, more especially ground forces. They don't understand what is happening. What he has done has disappointed many of us. As a result, some people were questioning this MK thing. Some they assumed that maybe we are off ANC. I wanna be clear about that. We are not working for ANC because there are rumors that MK is here to work in hand with ANC so that they can get a vote. So what Mr. Khumalo did made people to think that way, and it's not that way. They mustn't get it wrong. We are MK. We are under Mr. Zuma, not ANC, not anyone. We are not being captured. They are doing this just to infiltrate all this thing and disturb us to not work on the ground. As they can see that we are working and people are following us. We've got many followers. That's what they are scared of. Hence, they are doing what they are doing. They don't want us to get into a vote because they know that we will definitely take South Africa.
Last question. What happens if Zuma loses this case and he can't stand as a candidate for MK?
I won't lie, we will fight for that, I can assure you. We are prepared for anything going on us. We can't let that happen. He's the only people and he's the only hope for black people, more especially us young people, because everything that has been done doesn't favor us as young people. We are struggling. There's a high rate of unemployment. These people on a parliamentary level are busy feeding themselves instead of the wealth. We voted for them so that they can help us and upgrade the system, change the constitution that will favor us blacks and young people. That's the first thing that we want. Hence we want Mr. Zuma because he's the only president who fought for that. Hence they are doing what they are doing. So we'll make sure that we fight. We want a backup. That's one I can assure you. We won't break up. We want Zuma, no one else.